In this Argos support video, we will guide you through the general cleaning and maintenance of your washing machine to help keep it performing at its best. Regular cleaning and maintenance can improve the washing performance, reduce unpleasant odours, and help extend the life of your appliance. Before you begin, switch off the appliance and unplug it from the mains power supply. Start by cleaning the detergent drawer. Pull the drawer towards you, pressing the central release catch to remove it fully. Wash the drawer in warm water to remove any detergent residue or fabric conditioner buildup, then allow it to dry thoroughly. Next, wipe the detergent drawer housing using a damp cloth to remove any remaining residue before refitting the drawer. Now, clean the door seal. Carefully pull back the rubber seal and check for any dirt, lint or small objects that may have become trapped. Wipe the seal thoroughly with a soft damp cloth, paying particular attention to the folds. Clean the inside of the door and the exterior surfaces of the appliance using a soft cloth. Avoid using abrasive cleaners, solvents or scouring pads, as these may damage the finish. To check the pump filter, place a shallow tray or towel beneath the filter housing, as a small amount of water may escape when the filter is removed. Remove the pump filter cap and unscrew the filter carefully. Remove any lint, debris or foreign objects. Rinse the filter under clean water before refitting it securely. To help prevent odours and detergent buildup, we recommend running a maintenance wash regularly. Run an empty hot wash program using a washing machine cleaner. Leaving the door and detergent drawer slightly open after each wash will also help air to circulate. Regular cleaning and maintenance will help keep your washing machine running efficiently and ensure the best possible washing results. For further support, please visit argos-support.co.uk.